In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayPal with Systeme.io, a process that takes about 5 minutes. To begin, start by accessing your Systeme.io dashboard. You'll want to navigate to their login page at systeme.io/dashboard/cn-login. Once you're there, enter your login email and password. After inputting your credentials, click on the sign in button to access your dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll notice your profile picture on the upper corner of the screen. Click on it and a drop down menu will appear. From there, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you need to look for the Payment Gateway section. Click on it to reveal the payment options available to you. Here you'll see the PayPal option. You'll want to hit Connect right next to it. At this stage, you'll need to access your PayPal business account, so open a new tab and log into PayPal. If you haven't already created a business account, take a moment to do that as this integration requires it. Once you're logged in, head straight to the account settings. You'll find this option typically on your dashboard or under the account profile. In account settings, there is a section labeled Account Access. Under this, you need to click on API Access. Look for this specific section and then select the update link that's displayed alongside it. This will direct you to a different section where you can set up or manage API credentials. Now, focus on locating the section named MVP SOAP API Integration, which is also referred to as Classic. Under this label, you'll find your API username, API password, and API signature details. Make sure you copy these credentials carefully as they are crucial for the integration process. After you've gotten your API details, return to your Systeme.io account tab. You should still have the page open where you clicked Connect next to PayPal. On this page, you will see designated fields where you can paste the API username, password, and signature information that you've just copied from your PayPal account. Carefully paste the information in the corresponding fields to avoid any errors. Finally, once all your API credentials are entered correctly, take a moment to review them to ensure accuracy. Then hit the Save button. This action will complete the integration process, and your PayPal account will now be linked with Systeme.io. And that's it! Your Systeme.io account should now be equipped to handle transactions through PayPal, giving you a seamless way to manage payments for your online business. Don't forget to ensure that your credentials are correct if the integration doesn't work the first time. Having this integration set up is a fantastic way to streamline your process and expand your business capabilities.